I want to get to breaking news now out of Southern California, where firefighters are battling several out of control, deadly fires. And this gives you kind of a unique perspective of just how large this is. This video is taken from somebody landing at LA International Airport, LAX. You can see the widespread devastation. 2 people have died so far. Tens of thousands have been forced from their homes. And with the current 60-mile-an-hour winds, flames are showing no signs of slowing down. In fact, the initial fire, the Pacific Palisades fire, is now the most destructive in LA history, with an estimated 1,000 structures destroyed.
And emergency response officials telling us right now that this fire is 0% contained. Maribel Gonzalez has more on today's state of emergency.
Oh my God, you guys.
Los Angeles County is now in the crosshairs of 4 massive separate fires. Thousands of acres ravaged and counting. Tens of thousands of people ordered to evacuate.
Take it seriously and evacuate. Your life will depend on it.
Some civilian fatalities have been reported, and fire officials say there's little to no containment this hour. High winds, massive walls of fast-moving flames, and rough, hilly terrain are stretching fire crews to their limits.
We have several firefighters and civilian injuries that have been reported.
Many evacuees had to abandon their vehicles and escape on foot, while some residents tried to save their homes with garden hoses.
You think you're going to be out there with your little garden hose, stopping a conflagration with flames 80 feet high in 90-mile-an-hour winds. You're not going to be helping.
Actor James Woods is one of many who lost a home in the Palisades fire.
It just finally moved into about 3 months ago. All the smoke alarms are going off, so that's hard lit.
President Joe Biden visiting LA County Wednesday, getting briefed on statewide reinforcements being called in.
I contacted the Governor's Office of Emergency Services. We requested 250 additional engines into LA County with 1,000 personnel.
In the Pacific Palisades, I'm Maribel Gonzalez reporting.
All right, and clearly that devastation will continue to track, will continue to follow. We're getting just updates out of California as we speak.
Those images are, it's almost apocalyptic.
Yeah.
Never seen, you see wildfires, you've seen them before, but the images coming out of California today are just something different, something else.
Yeah, it's in such a heavy residential area,
Yep.
and I think that makes it a little bit different from some of the other ones that we've seen.
Yep.